Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we're going to see how to monitor and track login attempt history using Ultimate Security. Monitoring your login logs is vital. It helps you identify brute force attacks early and see exactly who is trying to access your site. To get started, make sure you have Ultimate Security installed. From your Ultimate Security dashboard, scroll down to the bottom and select Login Attempt Limits. First, ensure that the login limit feature is toggled to enable. This is your first line of defense against automated bots and unauthorized users. Here, you can define your rules. You can set the number of allowed login attempts, the lockout duration, and even increase the lockout time for repeat offenders. These settings work together to make brute force attacks mathematically impossible. Click Save Changes once your settings are ready. Now, let's see it in action. We'll head over to the WordPress login page to test how the plugin tracks a failed attempt. Watch what happens when we enter wrong credentials. The plugin immediately detects the failed attempt and displays a clear error message. Behind the scenes, Ultimate Security is already logging this event. When we return to the dashboard, we can see the updated security status. Now that we've tested a few failed logins, let's see how Ultimate Security analyzes this data so you can take action. Head back to the Ultimate Security dashboard. You'll see the dashboard gives you an overview of your security. Go to the bottom and look at the failed login attempts card. Here, it shows we've had 6 failed attempts in the last 24 hours. This real-time counter helps you spot sudden spikes in malicious activity. Right next to it, the login attempts list shows the most recent activity. You can see the specific user accounts being targeted and the IP addresses involved. To dive deeper, click the list icon to open the Review Login Attempts window. This is where the real monitoring happens. In this view, you get a detailed breakdown: the status of the login, the username used, the exact IP address, the timestamp, and even the browser names. By clicking the Successful tab, you can audit legitimate logins to ensure only authorized users are accessing your site. Switching to the Failed tab filters out the noise, allowing you to focus strictly on potential threats and brute force patterns. You can hit refresh at any time to get the latest data. This level of transparency is what keeps your WordPress site ironclad. By regularly monitoring these logs, you will know exactly which IPs to block and if any hidden admin accounts are being targeted. Download the Ultimate Security plugin via the link in the description. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials to fully harden your WordPress. Thanks for watching.